Hi, my name is Dina Rupel, and in this presentation I will be discussing the SDAIE strategy for square vocabulary. What exactly is SDAIE? SDAIE is defined as specifically designed academic instruction. The strategies in SDAIE are used to target language development in English language learners. The four-square vocabulary strategy helps students develop and increase their knowledge. It creates an opportunity so that students can illustrate and think critically about the vocabulary words. It also leads to students making personal connections with the words. This strategy can be easily implemented with students. All you need is a white piece of paper divided up into 4 squares. Using the SDAIE strategy for square vocabulary, you have the student take a piece of paper and fold it into 4s. Then, when they open it up, they have 4 boxes. You have them place the word in the middle and labels for each box. For this one, we have a definition, synonym and antonym, sentence, and illustration. You can use various labels to tailor it towards your students and your content area. I made an example of a mathematical four-square vocabulary. I use the vocabulary equilateral triangles, and for my boxes I have definition, example, non-example, and a translation box. I saw this idea and I thought this was great. This is where you have the student translate the words into their native language. This allows the student to make personal connections and access their prior knowledge. So on here we have the definition, which is all sides are congruent, pictures of an example and a non-example, and the words in Spanish. You can create a rubric to go along with your four-square vocabulary. This will allow students to know what exactly is expected of them. This strategy is useful for English language learners in many ways. First, it enables students to connect new vocabulary to their prior knowledge. It helps students organize their thoughts so they can understand the vocabulary and the definition. And it also is easily implemented with students. The students can use it as an individual study strategy, and it does not require the assistance from teachers or peers. In conclusion, the SDAIE strategy for square vocabulary is a useful tool that can be used with all students in all the different levels and throughout all the different content areas.